Thanks for ordering Sunfoot dryer and sterilizer. User manual. 1 helmet holder. 1 pair of Y holders with sensors and base unit. L holder and R holder should be installed correctly to the holes on base unit. Firmly push the shoe holders into place until you see 2 bars on the display. Sunfoot will start automatically once putting items on it, but items should cover the sensors at top of the holders. If holders did not installed correctly, Sunfoot will start automatically when plug-in. Setting button, plus and minus button could adjust sterilizing time, heating temperature and heating time. To adjust sterilizing time, press the setting button once. Until word STZ display on screen. The sterilizing time is adjustable from 0 to 15 minutes. To adjust drying temperature, press the setting button once again. Until word dry and Celsius symbol display. The drying temperature is adjustable from 40 to 70 Celsius. To adjust drying time, press the setting button once again. Until dry and minutes symbol display. The drying time is adjustable from 0 to 99 minutes. You are free to adjust the sterilizing time, heating temperature and heating time according to shoes materials and situation. To reset the program, press and hold the setting button until the screen flash. The default setting is 5 minutes sterilizing time, 60 Celsius drying temperature with 20 minutes drying time. When use a pair of Y holders, Sunfoot can start and stops automatically when you place items on the holders and cover the sensors. SF100D can deal with 2 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs of gloves, 1 helmet and 1 pair of gloves. To turn on and off the device manually by pressing and holding the plus and minus buttons. The product generates ozone by the corona discharge method. Ozone also has powerful disinfection properties. It is the most natural way of rendering bacteria and fungus harmless and of removing odors. Ozone is a pale blue gas with a distinctively pungent smell, detectable by many people at concentrations of as little as 0.01 ppm in air. If the ozone concentration is too high, this can lead to headaches or respiratory problems, although after a short time ozone particles are converted back to oxygen. We strongly recommend that the Sunfoot is always used in a well-ventilated room. Thank you for choosing Sunfoot product. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.